Pretty simple, to be honest. It's all kind of laid out. I mean, it's all numbered. All of the position numbers are all numbered and correlate to the plans. The measurements are correct, and the design fits the the space that it's designed for. It's all a relatively easy system to put together. Sometimes when there's more bespoke designs, which takes a little bit more thinking about. And typically what Form do then is they highlight and they put notes on the plans and kind of explain what's needed from their perspective to install those items. Cost-wise, in general, for your average sort of size Manhattan apartment, installation-wise, you're looking at around sort of $8,000 for installation. Actually, the Form system kind of comes with everything that you need. Quite often the cabinets are set off the wall slightly to create like a service void at the back, which is normal. In the installation kit with Form, you get all the brackets you need to set the cabinets off the wall. And then for the upper cabinets, it's a hanging rail system. Delivery of the appliances, I mean, I'm always recommending that to be delivered either at the same time as the cabinetry or before the cabinetry arrives, especially if you've got any integrated appliances which are panel ready. Once they're on site, they can be leveled and installed by your installation team, because it's typically the job of the installer to do that. Connections, plumbing, electrical, all of your electrical first fix for sure, and plumbing will need to be done before installation starts. A coffee machine or any other sort of steam appliance that needs to be connected to the plumbing as well. We try and get that sort of a couple of days before the installation is complete, just so that, again, once everything's installed and it's set in place, it doesn't have to come back out again.